Hi, everyone. My name is Liz Schroeder, and I'm the director of the Business Leadership Fellows Program here at LaSalle University within the School of Business. First of all, I just want to say congratulations. Wow. I hope you all are feeling proud of the hard work, the dedication, the commitment, the sweat, the tears, everything that went into this moment, because it's a wonderful experience and you are just about ready to kick off into a new journey and a new part of your life. So on behalf of the Fellows Program, our students and I want to say congratulations again and welcome to LaSalle University. So I want to take the next minute to talk about and give you an overview of the Business Leadership Fellows Program. This program was created about 2 years ago, and currently we have about 70 students and looking to grow this program to about 100 students by the start of next year. So we are currently looking for students that are dedicated, that are committed, that are wanting to develop themselves personally, professionally, as leaders, and so forth. So this program, again, targets those 3 areas of your life: your personal, your professional, and your leadership development. So we provide opportunities and experiences for students to practice those skills or core competencies that employers are looking for. You might have heard of some of those skills: leadership, teamwork and collaboration, communication, both written and verbal, as well as social responsibility or civic engagement. So students each semester gain experience in those skill sets and really start to practice and hone in on them, so that by the time they enter their first co-op or internship or even first job, they are well-rounded and they have the competition and drive to succeed in their roles, both personally, professionally, and on the path to leadership. So we are currently looking for fellows that have about a 3.0 cumulative GPA out of high school. And you can easily apply online through our School of Business website on LaSalle University's website. You can Google or search the Business Leadership Fellows Program and submit your application. It'll take about maybe an hour or an hour and a half to complete, but there are 2 essays that will be needed and will be reviewed by the committee made up of students and staff as well as faculty members. So this is a vibrant community of all different students, all different business majors, all different GPAs, and they are dedicated, hungry, and just a fun group to be a part of. And I think especially as an incoming freshman, this program will allow you a network, a community to be a part of during that first week of school. And also it will help you stay on track to make sure that you are able to meet all 3 areas of your life each semester and throughout the years here at LaSalle. So again, we welcome you. We encourage you to apply or to reach out to us. Follow us on Instagram, LaSalle BLFP. See what our students are up to, what they're doing. I'm proud to share that this community earned a 3.59 cumulative GPA last semester in fall 2019. Again, we hope that you consider applying to this program, and we welcome you to LaSalle. Have a great rest of your day, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.